to.
All right, it's breakfast time. First
Chloe.
solid food.
Chloe, look at mommy. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Not at the camera, you attention hog. Mm.
She got the right motion. Use what falls out on her lip. It's her portion. Because you can do that like 3 or 4 times.
Should we try some banana on there?
That, that didn't come out that much.
Yay! What is up with that?
What's that?
Did that taste good?
Yum!
Mmm. Uh-oh. This is entertaining now.
I
Good
think
job,
she likes
Chloe. Good job. Yay.
Yay!
Who's a good girl?
Mmm.
Want to get my now? Come on, yes.
Who's a good girl? Is that delicious? Yes. Yes. Yes.
Mmm.
She does get a little bit in there.
Oh yeah, she definitely is. I think she likes it.
Ooh.
She's not crying. And
Good
she's doing
job.
the
Good
chewing.
job. Mmm.
Who's a good girl? Chloe.
I knew she'd love it.
That's banana.
Should we try a combo?
Mmm. That might make the rice taste like something. Good job, Chloe. Yeah.
Ooh.
See how she's
sucking
sucking?
it out of her gun. Well done, sweetie.
Why is it doing it? I'm not even...
Good girl, Chloe.
Oh, you're kidding.
It's a teasing toy.
Does that thing go in there too?
It will plug in there, yeah, into the main
Oh,
tray.
that is amazing.
Open up. Don't seal them shut.
Woo! Yum yum.
Yay. She definitely likes the bananas better than the cereal.
Yeah.
Well, it
so
has
you
a
could
flavor.
do a mix, you know, like
Yeah.
It has a flavor. The rice tastes like mush.
You kind of have to angle it in there.
Even formula has more flavor than rice cereal. Yeah.
Good job, yay, Chloe! Yay!
See how she's sucking, smacking her lips?
That's right, play to the camera. Nom nom. Ooh.
I'm gonna let that one go.
Yeah, I think we're going to be watching a lot of bibs in the future.
Are you saving it up in there?
She's eating it.
Yeah, she is.
Take from this side. La da da. Zoom.
Yum yum.
She ate that bite.
Pretty
You
much.
ate that bite.
Pretty much.
You did.
What do you know? You're a good eater. You're a good eater.
Like Shaq or Chloe, like something that goes in her mouth. Mom, she's getting it.
I know. Could I try one?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm going to stop this now.
Yeah, don't put me on the